All right, everybody, today we're here at my newest listing, 919 Chalklevel here in Louisa, just over Lake Anna from Spotsylvania. Close to the town, let's get into it. Super cool, as soon as you come in, we have a living room right here. Square footage on this one, we actually just measured it, it's about 1350. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath rambler. The owner is extremely handy and has done the majority of this work over the years that he's owned it. We'll get into the primary bedroom right quick. Really good size room. We have overhead lighting throughout all the rooms pretty much. When you come in here, we do have a double vanity, along with a toilet and shower. And the contractor just finished the work and everything's done here. Brand new tile, and it's beautiful. And like I said, that work was just completed. We do have some decent sized closets. We don't usually open those up on tours for obvious reason. We're getting photos done today, so I always tell people to hide things in their closet, so we don't ever open them up during photos or video tours. All right, so when we come back out this primary, you have a dividing wall here. Dividing wall has utility closet, plus it has a full bath in the middle of the house. So if you go right, we have the kitchen, which is what we're probably gonna go to. So as you can tell, a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinets. Nice, newer appliances. The house is lived in, so I can't call them brand new, but you could tell they're very well taken care of. Something that's unique, I said that we weren't gonna open closets, but we do have an actual pantry. And that is unique for a house that's sub 1,500 square feet, to have a nice pantry. Nice dining room here, overhead lighting. We do have a deck outside that we will get into here shortly. We've already gone through the primary, so this is the secondary bedroom. Again, overhead lighting, really decent sized room. So we come back here. Remember I said there was a utility closet with the HVAC unit right there. Getting into our third bedroom is definitely the smallest of the three. It will make a great office as it is here. It can make a great nursery, but legal bedroom, closet, and window. And again, the LVP4 is throughout the whole property. Coming into the second full bath, as you see, we have nice vanity, nice lighting, toilet, and then I already opened this up just to show that it is a tiled shower, but it's got a full tub in it. I know a lot of folks, especially with the families, are looking for at least one tub in the property. We're going to the last room, which is the laundry room. As you can tell, they're very organized folks. Washer, dryer, hot water heater, and a really cool shelf for some built-ins for all the laundry. Lastly, let's go over to the deck just to show you that, and the backyard. For anything you're doing, outside entertainment. As you can see, we have a big spacious yard. You have 1.33 acres. Really good area. We are on septic and well, as you are gonna be most of the time if you're looking at acreage. Well's definitely newer, septic's in good shape. So if you guys have any questions about this tour, would like some more information, one, we're gonna leave the listing description down below. So it'll be in the comments, you can check on it. And always you can reach out, shoot us an email if you have any questions about this or wanna schedule a tour, we'll get with you. All right guys, talk to you next time, bye-bye.